PERFORMA 3S Selective Separation System. Unmatched productivity and sustainability in anti-corrosion finishing. The 3S is a membrane system that separates the plating electrolyte from the metallic anode. One of the major drawbacks of most conventional electrolyte installations is the degradation of the plating solution at the metallic anodes. The patented 3S membrane material prevents the formation of any anodic breakdown products, keeping the plating solution in an optimum condition constantly. This high efficiency level results in a significantly lower energy consumption. In comparison to conventional zinc-nickel systems, the use of 3S membranes can reduce energy consumption up to 60%. These energy savings directly translate into reduced carbon dioxide emissions. The PERFORMA electrolyte is flexible and can be adjusted to achieve the highest productivity in a variety of plating installations. The 3S equipment is robust and production-proven, designed for the demanding environments of both job shop and in-house plating. With over 100 installations worldwide, some operational for over 10 years, PERFORMA 3S is an effective and reliable technology with documented benefits for platers that use it. Contact your local MacDermid Enthone representative to find out more.